Hey everyone, it's Daniel Brother Barbaris. In our last video, we set up our SUP role, and now we're going to configure it, WSUS and our SUP configuration. So on all VMs, before we do this, I'm going to click on Start, Settings, and we're going to check for updates. If it's been a few days, there might be some, as you can see, so Install All. I'm going to do the same thing on all of our machines. Okay, there we go. Settings, Windows Update. There we are. Install all, and one more. Check for updates. We've been working on this one a little bit, so okay, it's up to date. Let's see what's going on here. Completed, good. Completed, you're up to date, completed, and completed. Okay, now what we're going to do is going to make sure there aren't any upgrades to any software, WinGet software. So let's open up our terminal from the taskbar on all the machines. There we go. And let's copy from 15 down to 17. Run. See if there's anything there. Nope, nothing there. We'll do that on all of our machines. Make sure everything's good. Perfect. Okay. There we are. What we're looking at is where it says no installed package found maxing the input criteria. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll go to Administration. We'll expand our site configuration. Click on Sites. And what we'll do is we can right-click here on PS1, and we'll go to Client Installation Settings. Go to Software Update Based Clients Installation. Click on Enable Software Update Based Client Installation. You'll see the available version. Okay. Click Apply. Once we're done synchronizing, the published version will be the same. So click OK. Now what we'll do is we're going to go to Software Library. We'll go Expand Software Updates. We'll click, then right-click on all software updates. Click Synchronize Software Updates. Run synchronization, yes. What we'll do is right-click on Start, Run, and we're going to look at our WSync Manager log. Okay, so click OK. And what we're going to do is we're going to wait for it to start syncing. So what we're waiting for is starting WSUS synchronization and WSUS synchronizing categories. So give that a few moments. I'll come back when that's at that screen or at that point. I don't want you to have to wait. All right, and there we go. Synchronizing there it is. Starting WSUS synchronization and synchronizing categories. And now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for done synchronizing and sync succeeded. That'll take about, I want to say about 8 to 10 minutes, maybe more. It depends. So I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, and we're done synchronizing. Let's see here. Waiting 120 more seconds, right? We're waiting for this last portion, right? So give that a few moments, and I'll come back when that's ready. Okay, and here we are. We got sync succeeded, setting sync alert to cancel state on site PS1. There we go. And we can close our trace log tool. We're going to close SQL, our Microsoft Configuration Manager. We're going to wait about 5 minutes just to let everything set up. Like I say, you got to have a little bit of patience, all right? And then we'll come back when that's ready. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Now we're going to open up Configuration Manager. Give that a moment. Go to Administration, expand Site Configuration, click on Sites, and we're going to right-click here, and we can actually do Configure Site Components, Software Update Point, or we can do the same thing, Configure above. Okay, so Software Update Point, there we go. Go to the Classifications tab. We're going to click on Critical Updates, Definition Updates, Security Updates, Tools, Update Rollups, and Updates. Then we're going to go to our Products tab. We're going to scroll down until we see PowerShell. There we go. Perfect. Now we'll go to SQL Server. We're going to go the ODBC driver, OLEDB driver, Microsoft SQL Server 2022, and SQL Server Management Studio 20. Now we'll scroll down to Windows. We're going to go to Microsoft Defender Antivirus, Microsoft Edge, Microsoft Server Operating System 24H2. We'll scroll down to Windows 10, version 1903 and later, and Windows 11. We'll click Apply, then OK. We're going to close Configuration Manager. Then I'm going to restart our machine. Okay. Get a clean slate, and we'll come back and we'll synchronize our updates. Okay. All right. Control Alt Insert. Let's log in. There we go. We'll right click Start, Run. We'll give ourselves 120 seconds for everything to load up. And I'll be back in a few moments. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. There we go. Let's open up Configuration Manager from the taskbar. Right here. Give that a moment. We're going to go to Software Library, expand Software Updates. We're going to click, then right-click on All Software Updates. Click Synchronize Software Updates. Click Yes. Then we're going to look at our log, same one, our WSync Manager log. Okay, so copy that, paste, OK. And give that a few moments. What we're waiting on is synchronizing WSUS server, starting WSUS synchronization, WSUS synchronizing categories, then WSUS synchronizing updates. Okay, we're going to see our updates synchronizing. It'll have a percentage ETA in, then it'll say, when those are completely done, it'll say done synchronizing SMS with WSUS server. It'll say sync succeeded, and then sync time. Now this can take up to, and I've seen it, take up to an hour and a half, okay? So it could take longer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let this go overnight because I'm going to go to bed here in a little bit because it's been a long day for me, even though it's only 7:45. But you can see here, synchronizing, starting WSUS synchronization. Like I said, synchronizing categories, and then synchronizing updates. I'm going to wait just a few moments until I start seeing the processed X out of X items, and then I'll come back. Okay, and now you can see it start doing that. WSUS synchronizing updates process 68 out of 28,803, 0% ETA in. And of course, you're going to wait until that gets to 100%. Wait until you see done synchronizing, and then sync succeeded, and then make sure the sync time is there. Okay, so I'll see you guys in the morning. Have a good night. And we're back. Okay, so sync succeeded. Sync time was well, it took a lot longer than that. It took about 2 hours, so we're good there. Okay, we can close that CM Trace tool. Let's expand our Microsoft Edge management. Click on all Microsoft Edge updates. We're going to go over here to the title bar, right click, and we're going to go to expired and then superseded. We're going to sort by superseded by clicking it. There we go. Then we're going to go all the way to up to all software updates. We're going to do the same thing here. Okay, so expired and superseded. We'll expand our title here. We should have done that with this one as well. So we'll do that here. There we go. Okay, so now we're ready. So we'll start here. We're going to click on Add Criteria, drop down, go down to the product, click Add. You'll see End Product .NET 5.0. Click on that. We're going to go all the way down to Microsoft Defender Antivirus, right here. Click Search. Okay. Let's make sure that we're sorting by superseded. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. So what we're looking for is we're looking for the Security Intelligence Update Current Channel Broad, and then the Update Current Channel Broad. There we go. So you control click. Then we're going to right click on one of those. Click Create Software Update Group. Okay. We're going to call this CM Lab Software Update Group. Create. There we go. Now we're going to click on Microsoft Defender Antivirus. We're going to go down to the Microsoft ODBC driver 18 for SQL. We'll right click on that, edit membership, and add it to that group. Okay. Right here, click on ODBC, go down to OLE 19, search, right click, edit membership, add it to our CM Lab software update group. We're going to go to Microsoft Server Operating System 24H2. There we are. We're going to click the newest cumulative update, 64-bit, and same thing for the .NET. So right click, edit membership. There we go. I'll go to SQL Server 2022. There we are. Search. Cumulative update, edit, same thing. Go here. We're going to go to SQL Server Management Studio. There we are. Right click, edit membership. There we go. And now PowerShell. So scroll down. Do you see PowerShell x64? We're not using the preview version. Go ahead and just click the normal one, not the long-term servicing channel. There we go. All right, we'll go here. We're going to go all the way down to Windows 10, 1903 and later. Okay. What we're looking for is this second one. There's one here and one here. So click on the second one, search, and we'll type malicious here. There we go. And we're looking for the x64 version, the newest one. Right click, edit membership. There we go. Okay. Right here, we're going to type x64 22H2 and search. We'll look for the servicing stack, the security update. So all four of those, looks like 5. Yeah. There we go. Okay, edit membership, and there we go. Now we're going to go to Windows 11. Scroll all the way down here. Windows 11, search. We're going to type 24H2. There we go. And just these top two. There we are. Okay. Now we're going to go to all Microsoft Edge updates. Okay. What we're looking for is the newest Microsoft Edge WebView runtime, and the newest stable channel x64 version. So I see 134 for WebView for x64. That's what we're looking for. And not the extended stable version. We're looking for the normal stable version. So there it is right here. That's for x86. So x64 there. And right click, CM Lab. There we go. Okay. So we're done selecting. Okay. We're going to go click on, excuse me, software update groups. We'll see our click, then update, or click, then right click on the CM Lab software update group. Click download. Here we are. We're going to call this CM Lab update deployment package. There we go. Our package source. I'm going to copy here. It's on our iDrive. Remember, we made that software updates folder. Okay. There we are. We're going to enable binary differential replication. So this says to minimize the network traffic between sites, binary differential replication updates only the content that is changed in the package. So later on, when we select new ones, maybe next month, that'll be worth it. So distribution point, choose. There we are. Next. And then we can click next all the way to the end. It's going to download, and I'll come back when that's ready. We're getting there. It's a little bit over halfway done. Okay, and that's completed. We're good. Click close, and I'll see you in the next video.